Hello everyone, your Excel Wizard here today teaching you about the upper function, which if you can infer, just changes whatever you have in your text to all uppercase letters. So in our function arguments box here, we're going to enter the name Lightning McQueen, but typed out normally. And so if I hit OK here, then in all caps, we're going to have Lightning McQueen. So this is useful in a setting where, I don't know, maybe you're creating usernames or something with a large list or set of data where it would be way too time consuming to go into each individual cell and type out or retype everything in all caps. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into this cell, hit upper, just choose our cell A1, hit enter, and now all of a sudden we have our name in all caps. Just flash fill this formula down and it will go till your data set ends. And so again, a very simple function, a very short video, but thank you for watching. If you're interested in more beginner, intermediate, or expert Excel functions, I've got series on all three of those. So please go watch those if interested. And as always, thank you for watching.